thank you very much for joining us again at itelligence blog. We're here with Nithya from SAP at the Run Better campus for test drive SAP solutions for SME. And we would like to just ask you some questions today. So first, maybe you can just start with telling us what's this area all about and what is happening here.
Hi Karen, thanks for involving me. Good to see you here.
Yes.
Okay. So you're at the Run Better campus, and the focus area is to really test drive a Business by Design solution here. So it's not a recorded demo; it's a real Business by Design test system. It's a reference system which is hosted in a German data center. Okay. So our customers and partners and all delegates could really have a hands-on the system. And take a real test drive by being a financial manager or by being a CEO of the company. The key entity here is, at the end of the day, the colleague will have an experience that he has finished successfully an end-to-end business process with ByDesign.
Okay. Thank you. So in regards to SME, what are the activities that SAP is doing today to reach to a larger customer base?
It's a good point. So I think we have a largely integrated partner ecosystem now, wherein we are bringing in partners, solution partners, reselling partners into the game who understand how ByDesign works. In addition, they get a development environment called Partner SDK, Partner Toolkit, which allows partners to develop their own solution for a particular localization factor or a particular industry factor, and get this add-on finally into the buying center of SAP, which is nothing but the SAPstore.com.
Okay. So maybe you can share with us a little bit of the atmosphere here at the booth and what are the main topics that were discussed here, and maybe a little bit about profiling the people that were visiting here.
Yeah, I think 2 days were really hectic, but it was fun. We had so much of discussions, constructive discussions, knowledge sharing sessions. People were eager to know what ByDesign is about. Some colleagues had interest in ByDesign, but they did not know what was upcoming in the near future. So we had a very constructive discussion. There were some key ideas or some kind of points which were relating to even using ByDesign for managing a student CRM system to effectively manage the student relationship activities at a university. Or there were a lot of questions coming in with subsidiary integration scenarios where you're hosting your ERP solution in your headquarters and running a subsidiary unit on a cloud, which is nothing but an on-demand Business by Design in a more independent way. So these were some of the key areas where colleagues were constantly looking around for information. We had the right information channel here within our team, and we were able to have a very good constructive discussions with them. In fact, we also took over some key inputs from these discussions to a kind of feedback telling to our ByDesign core solutions team and so on. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I think it's a lot about experiencing. I think customers and people could come here to experience Business by Design, and you also could feel a little bit what others are thinking about the solutions. So thank you very much for this interview. We really appreciate it. And join us again later on at the itelligence blog from SAPPHIRE Now. Thank you very much for this interview.